Model, 64-plate Ford Transit Connect T240L2 long wheelbase, 1.6 TDCi 95ps trend MOTED needs body, silver, panel van mileage, 105,228 MOT, 3 October 2023 engine, 1560 cc 1.6 TDCi 95ps transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox is stuck in second gear and will need repairing or replacing condition summary. Bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows, aircon EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap